This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to Fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 60 of Building Optimus Prime from Hasbro, the Agostini, Fanhome, the Transformers franchise, and things like that. I think it's Hasbro, isn't it still? I don't know. So yes, we'll be building more detail stuff on this, putting the back, I think almost finishing the back. Then we got a bridge between worlds, portals and things, and yeah, that's what they were trying to build and bring Cybertron to Earth, wasn't it? Mammoth Task, I don't know what story that's about. Trailbreaker, I thought I heard of Trailbreaker, but I could be wrong, it doesn't look familiar. Don't remember him for sure. Name sounds familiar, but I'm not sure about the toy. Beast Machines, yeah, back to the beasts again. I like the robots, yeah, robots and animals, they could mix together quite well. Not as good as robots and cars, but there's only so many cars you can do, isn't there? So yes, this is 24 of the torso, a third of the thing, which is fair enough because, you know, quite a big part of the Optimus. So yeah, we've got some parts to put on there, add some colour to his back and some little detail bits as well. So that will be that. I'm looking forward to getting that bit done. So yeah, let's get straight to it. No point in hanging around, is there? Yes, so this is the parts that we've got, or these are the parts that we've got. First of all, we're going to be adding the detail bits. Oh, I've dug out this bit. This was left loose a couple of issues back, and we need that for this part. So, yeah, good to be getting some of that done. We've got these little bits that need to add into here. We've got the big spiky bit, and the littler spiky bit. That the right way round. I shall need to get some magnification on to get that in place. That is going on there. Those ones are not being used quite yet. It's just the other two. Let me get my glasses of seeing on. Get some extra light onto the case as well. Basically one of them on either side. I'm going to need to get tweezers on to do that. Right, let me get that together and then we'll see where this attaches onto the torso. Right, there we go. That's those attached in there. Nice and secure. This then goes onto here. Be easy to figure out where that's going to go. And that will help holding these panels in place as well. That on there like that. A little bit more than that, but I'll get that pushed on more securely in a minute. This one I need to attach just like I've done that one, but with screws. That bit goes on there like that, and then that goes on there like that. So I'll get 8 screws in there, which they've supplied. This piece will go in the middle there, a bit like that, and then the 2 other bits which I've still got around actually go into the end bits there. So let me get all of that attached once that's on there surrounding that. So lots of screws to do and then some more behind the scenes stuff. So I'll show you it when it's finished. Right, that was a little bit trickier than I had hoped it was going to be, but we got there in the end. It's all gone together. That little piece goes around there and that covers over the screw hole that was still visible. But that just attaches with 4 little pins on the front there, and the rest of it just sort of loops around and finishes it off. It does look good. I'm happy with that. These are all popped in properly now. So, yeah, there we go. That is Optimus really coming along now. I do like... I'm not sure about all the articulation. I'm not too sure about how much of that is necessary. But it's there, so, you know, get on with it. So that's what we've got. I'm pretty sure next time we're actually going to be doing the neck, which I think's got another circuit board to go into it. So I'll see about that. And when I've done that, I shall see if I can figure out how the head's going to attach, and we'll see what he's going to look like. So for now, that's that done. I do like it. It's so much detail, so many little tweaks and touches in there. It's unreal. So thank you very much to Fanhome for sending it to me. And thank you for watching. So I shall see you for more very soon. Bye-bye for now.